Hello class, this is going to be a walkthrough video of your second lab assignment. Once you have JASP open, you can navigate to the File by clicking the File menu, Open Computer, the relevant folder, and then selecting the dataset. This dataset is going to look similar to the one that you have for your lab. In fact, all of the variables are the same. However, I have changed the values in these columns. So when you perform your own statistical analyses, your answers are not going to match mine, but the format of your answers should look the same. We're going to start off by selecting the Descriptives menu and then selecting caffeine total and adding that into the variables column. Here we can see that the chart with the descriptive measures is available. For this analysis, we're only interested in the mean, so if you'd like, you can deselect these other variables, and now we have the number of people in the survey, and we have the mean. And keep in mind, these numbers will be different than the ones in your assignment. We're going to click on the Plots menu here, and we are going to select a box plot, as well as the options for color and jitter, which is going to show the spread of the data here. So this is it for the first analysis. It's fairly straightforward. Once you have your analysis finished, you can click on Results at the top and click Copy, and then that will allow you to paste your analyses into a Word document. If you're on Mac, you may see this additional pop-up menu, which is just going to allow JASP to select the picture, essentially, and once you've given it permission to utilize that image, it automatically pastes it into Microsoft Word. So your output should look very similar to this. I actually copied an extra chart here, so I'm just going to delete that. And here is the first analyses. For the second analysis, you can return back to the file just by clicking the analysis pane will close that statistical menu. And then you're going to click what is your year in school, which opens up the menu to filter the variables. For this second analysis, we're only interested in the juniors. And you can see as I deselect the other values here that JASP actually automatically updates the descriptive analysis that I have in my analysis pane here on the right. So now I can click back into the analysis pane, and instead of doing a box plot here, I'm going to do a distribution plot. So I will select that menu, and now we have the number of juniors in this survey, we have their mean, and we have the distribution plot here. So I am going to click here again to select this, or rather I can individually select just this part of the analysis by clicking Descriptives, and then go over into my Word document and paste that following the menu options. And here is my second analyses all together in one document, and I will save that and upload it to Blackboard for the assignment.